Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome. Tonight in evening we have a an additional with extra puzzles. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, election day today, Wednesday, March the 15th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. And then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku number 6120. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here only 1. We have here 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 4 sevens. White. 2 eights, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the sevens are in majority. Can I start with 7? Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Wow. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, last row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the third column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8... Well, I think the 8 should be here because we have 3 missing numbers in this row. This box can be an 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. This box can be an 8 because we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 8. All right. Okay. Then 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Right. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3, okay. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Yeah. And now. 1, 5, 6. Yeah. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 1. Yeah. And now, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for numbers. For number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 2 should be there. And I believe we have a pair. No. 2, 2. 9, 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Wait. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing, 4, 5, 9. 459, 459, 459. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So one digit left in this big square for number 9. Two missing numbers in this column for number 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 9, 3, 4. 3. Need a 4 here. How about, let me see, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here, or there, we see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, and look, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, and a 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Right. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. Second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes that appear in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Alright. How about 4, 5. Wait. The 3, yeah. 3. 3, 4, 5. Well, we have a 5. Oh, look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 4 and the 5. We already have a 5 here in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, we have 2 missing numbers here in the second row, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing. 3 to 4. We have a 4 now in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, Oh, we already have 2 here. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is also missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. 50 minutes. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Well, let me give this 2 stars then. I'm not faster. I think few seconds. Anyway, it's a 2 stars puzzle and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.